Hey, hi, and welcome back. I hope that you are enjoying this training, and I assure you, you will enjoy even more in the upcoming videos. Okay, so that's my promise. So, in previous topic, we completed the power supply unit, and in this topic, we are actually going to start with the microcontroller. And as discussed even before, when we discussed the block diagram of our hardware, at that time I told you that the controller that we are going to use is basically the same controller that sits on Arduino Uno board. So the things that you are going to learn in this particular topic, it will be helpful to you in your every project or product that you will design based on Atmega 328 microcontroller. Okay. Also, you will learn some generalized things which will actually help you while designing a system based on any controller. So that's why listen to the videos covered in this topic carefully. Okay, and I know that you were eagerly waiting for this topic and you are excited to learn this topic. So your waiting is over now and we will quickly start with this topic. Alright, so that being said, now let's start with the second topic of this module, which is microcontroller. So now let me tell you what you're going to learn in the videos covered in this topic. Okay, so the first video is about Introduction to Microcontroller Part 1 MCU Overview. So in this video, I am going to give you a brief introduction to the Atmega 328 microcontroller. So in this video, I will walk you through the datasheet of Atmega 328 microcontroller and we will see the different features and specification of that particular controller. Okay, so all those things we are actually going to discuss in this particular video. Then the next video is about Introduction to Microcontroller Part 2, Understanding MCU pin configuration or MCU pin map. So in this particular video, I'm going to explain you the different pins which are actually present on Atmega 328 microcontroller, and we will see the functions and the purpose of each and every pin present on the controller. Okay, so all those things we are going to discuss in this particular video. Then the next video is about Introduction to Microcontroller Part 3, pin map comparison with Arduino. So in this video, we will do the comparison of pins of the controller with the Arduino Uno board. So here basically you will get the brief idea about the Arduino hardware and you will get to know which pin is called what pin in the Arduino Uno board. Okay, so in case of Arduino Uno board, the pins have some different terminologies or different names. So we will see all those things in this particular video. Okay, so in this video you will get the idea about what pin on Atmega 328 is called what on the Arduino Uno board. Okay, so all those things we are going to discuss in this particular video. Then the next video is about Understanding Circuit of MCU Part 1. So in this particular video, I am going to explain you the detailed circuitry of Atmega 328 and we will see what are the different components connected around the Atmega 328 microcontroller. Okay, so basically in this video, I am going to explain you the minimum components that you need to connect around the Atmega 328 microcontroller in order to make it work. Okay, so I have actually splitted this video in the two parts, part 1 and part 2. So some part of the circuit I will discuss in this particular video and rest of the part I will discuss in this particular video. Okay, so that's how basically we are going to cover these two parts, Understanding Circuit of MCU. Then the next video is about Schematic Design of MCU. So once we are done with the circuit explanation of microcontroller, then we will create the schematic of that particular circuit on the Eagle schematic editor. Okay, so that's how basically we are going to cover this particular topic and I'm sure you will definitely enjoy all the videos which are covered in this topic. Okay, so now in next video, we will start with this particular point, which is about Introduction to Microcontroller Part 1 MCU Overview. Okay, so I will see you in the next video now.